Bunubu and the mole male mix up a sleepy underground delivery adventure. Bunubu was sipping warm clover milk in his cozy burrow. Tap, tap, tap came from under the rug. The rug wiggled like it had a secret. Up popped a very sleepy mole with a mailbag on his head. "Oh, crumbs," he yawned. "This is not the Beetle Bakery." Bunubu blinked at the pile of mixed-up mail. So he decided he became Muddle Mole, rubbed his spectacles. "I delivered the squirrel scarf note to the worm twins, and the beetle birthday card to a sleeping mushroom." Bunubu put on his rain hat. "We can sort it." So he decided communicating. They spread the mail on a mossy root table. Acorn notes rolled left. Leaf envelopes fluttered right. One postcard sneezed a puff of beetle dust. So he decided he was bad at communicating. The beetle postcards did not stay still. They skittered across the tunnel like tiny marching pancakes. Bunubu followed the tickly footprints. Muddle Mole followed Bunubu's tail. So he decided at the bottom of the satchel was one lumpy package. It was covered in dirt. It had no name, no ribbon, and a very polite rattle inside. Kinikin Bunubu noticed crumbs stuck to the dirt. Not cake crumbs, not toast crumbs, tiny crunchy acorn crumbs. "That package belongs near the pantry roots," he said. So he decided they knocked at the pantry burrow. A family of field mice squeaked with joy. Inside the package was their missing music box. It played a tune that sounded like sleepy rain. So he decided he would communicate in Bunubu, many acorns to squirrels, leaves to snails. Beetles get postcards with wiggly tails. Muddle Mole hummed along and did not fall asleep once. Well, almost once. By sunset, every note was home. Muddle Mole curled up inside an empty mail basket. Bunubu tucked a leaf over him. The brass bell gave one tiny goodnight ding.